Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by stopping further damage, cordon the zone, and remove products from the affected bays. Inspect the uprights, shelves, and clips to identify bent components or stripped holes. Once done, lay parts out so you can see needed replacements. Make sure to match bracket types and measure shelf depth and hole spacing. You'll prepare a simple parts list and preload your drill with the correct bit. This immediate action prevents collapse and speeds the repair process. You now remove old brackets and straighten any slightly bent uprights. If an upright is badly compromised, tag it for replacement. Fit new brackets starting at the top and work downward to retain alignment. Use bolts when holes are elongated and hand-fit clips where designed. After each shelf is seated, use a level and adjust bracket heights to maintain a continuous slope-free plane. Once aligned, tighten fasteners incrementally so tension distributes evenly, and shelves sit flat under load. You finish by performing a staged load test. Add a quarter of normal stock, observe, then increase. This reveals hidden weaknesses. Make sure shelves hold without deflection greater than acceptable. If you see more than a few millimeters of sag or hear creaks, loosen and reseat brackets, replace fasteners, or swap the upright. Once stable, restock fully and record part numbers, torque settings, and photos in your maintenance log. If problems persist, escalate to facilities for upright.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.